Flooding in Monrovia, Liberia, like many other African countries, has become a pressing issue, particularly impacting vulnerable groups such as youth, women, children, persons with disabilities, and vulnerable communities. This phenomenon is largely attributed to climate change, showcasing the urgent need for sustainable actions to both adapt to and mitigate its impacts. The impact of flooding in Monrovia are far-reaching and severe. Floodwaters disrupt the daily lives of residents, causing damage to infrastructure, homes, and livelihoods. Essential services like healthcare, education, and transportation are also significantly affected, exacerbating the challenges faced by vulnerable populations. Moreover, the health risks associated with flooding, such as waterborne diseases and injuries, pose a serious threat to the well-being of residents in Liberia and across Africa. To tackle this issue effectively, sustainable actions must be taken to adapt to and mitigate the impact of flooding in Monrovia and other parts of Liberia. One crucial aspect of adaptation is improving early warning systems